Who is she? What's up, you guys? So if you've been following me on TikTok, you know I did some custom shoes earlier this week. I just added spikes to them. I'll show you guys that in a second. And then I did some custom jeans. They're pretty sick, actually. I can't wait to wear them. I'll show you guys those as well. But today I was like, you know what? Let's do a custom jacket and record it so y'all can see it. Because I'm like, I don't know what else to post. We in quarantine, bitch. So these are the custom shoes. I just added some spikes on them. I'm going to have to like super glue them or something. Because like, where is it? That one already fell off and I haven't even worn them outside the house. I wore them for a picture and that's about it. Let me show you all the jeans. These are the jeans. I literally have 3 identical pairs of black jeans from Holster. This is one of them. So I was like, let's do something cool to them. So, you know, we did the rip knee. I put like chains on it. I messed the bottom up, but it's fine because I like cuff the bottom of my jeans anyways. And then like a little anklet chain right here. You know, another rip knee. I put a little, there's a lot of dog hair. I put a little like skull thingy I drew. XXX, you know, rest in peace. Love them. Miss them. And I put spook right on the butt. So we got those. And I was like, let's make a jacket to go with everything. So that's what we're doing. Let's get started. So as you can see, I already started on one arm. But we're gonna do the other arm and the back of the jacket. Let's get into it. All right, so I'm gonna try to copy this side. Over here, we'll see how well I do. It's definitely not gonna be perfect. I got my pants. You already know. Brushes aren't clean. Hard paint on there. You know, I'm not no professional. I just like to do this for fun. I'm just using acrylic paint. Someone told me it could work. It should work. So I'm just using acrylic paint to do this. I don't have like fabric paint. Yeah, but let's get started. Alright, so now that we have the layout done, I'm going to outline it in black and then add some little cartoony details. And then after that, we'll get started on the back of it. Alright, let's get into it. Peep Coco snoring.
lost her mind.
Alright, so we finished with the back part. I made like a little spine thing. We're gonna outline it in black, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. So see you guys in a second. Alright, so I'm finished with it. I'm feeling good about it. Got both the arms done. And the back. Little spine thing going on. I don't know. I think it looks sick. I definitely feel better about this jacket. I feel like I'll wear it more now. And then I put a tooth on it. And then I did X for X. Little anarchy symbol for peep under the pocket. What do you guys think about it? Leave a comment. Let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me paint this. This is like my second time ever painting. The jeans were the first thing I ever really tried like painting other than like a canvas. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching so much. I hope you have a great day, night, whatever time it is for you. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.